Diagraph Bradley was started in 1893 as the Bradley Stencil Machine Company by Andrew Jackson Bradley in St. Louis, Missouri. It all came about with Mr. Bradley walking on the shores of the Mississippi, watching people trying to mark products, identify packages that were going to go on ships. And basically he had that aha moment: if I can come up with a way of systematically and consistently printing information, it'd be a lot easier to read and track packages and equipment and things on boats and off of boats, and to get to the right place at the right time. And that was the beginning of marking and coding. Products were marked, and the stencil machine was invented. It was called the Long Bradley, and that was the start of the company. We made a simple modification, which was the round Bradley. Well, that was called the Bradley Diagraph Stencil Machine. Diagraph was the first company to create a distribution organization through direct distributors throughout the U.S., and quickly was adapted into international markets. From there, we looked at hand products that we were able to mark products by hand with coders, roller coders, die coders. These are all mechanical products used in manufacturing facilities throughout the U.S. Looking at the first 50 years in the 1900s, Diagraph was the company that helped manufacturers around the world make their mark. As we cover the next 50 years of the Diagraph story, you're really starting to look at the paradigm shift in the industry, where automation has started becoming a key player in supply chain efficiency improvement and making sure that products and goods got to where they needed to go in a timely and efficient manner. That basically created the need for variable information. Things like expiration dates, use-by dates, even ship-to information. All of those variable data needed to be more efficient and easier to manage in the production line. It was very efficient. It increased productivity. It allowed people to put more information into smaller spaces that was machine readable. So in 2001, Diagraph became part of the ITW family, and it became part of the marking and coding portfolio, which in 2013, the marking and coding division was created really to have a bigger global impact and be able to serve not only international companies, but local companies on a global scale. Diagraph is a global company, and it has direct sales and service organization facilities in the US, Mexico, Malaysia, Germany, and the UK. But it has a global distribution network of over 120 distributors located in all key markets around the world, where we're able to provide the same services that we provide through our direct organization. As we look at Diagraph today and our products, we really focus on the same things we've been focusing for the last 125 years. We want to make sure that we focus on making our customers' jobs and functions as easy as possible. They should focus on producing their products and not watching our print. We are a company that focuses on providing solutions through innovation, through customer service, through technical support. As you look at our technologies, specifically focusing on our inkjet technology, labeler technology, all of those products are designed with the customer in mind and the customer's production capability in mind. As I walk around our factories in our different locations, one thing that I find in common among all of our employees is that we have people that care. And that's really our culture. Our culture is people caring about people, because business is all about people dealing with people. You know, there's a lot of credit to be given to the Brigham family. If it wasn't for the Brigham family, there'd be no Diagraph. They really had the vision. You know, being part of ITW has facilitated the culture, has facilitated resources, financial and human, but our culture remains that problem solver, solution provider, understanding those customers and customer needs that the Brigham family created, you know, back in early 1900s. And 3 generations of Brighams kept that culture going. I believe through innovation, focusing on solutions, focusing on continuous improvement, we will be able to deliver future products and future solutions that allow our customers to continue to improve their efficiency. Diagraph has always been an innovation company. We've always been a first-to-market company, and not because we're developing or delivering products. It's really delivering solutions and needs that we hear from our customers. And we're able to take that information and provide solutions that help one customer, and then it becomes a product that is used or a solution that is used throughout the industry. It's really living with the customers and understanding those factory needs and the factory issues that go on each day, every day. You know, we've been able to do that 125 years, and we'll be able to do that for the next 125 years. At Diagraph, we make it easy for manufacturers to make the perfect mark on their products.